Okay.
Hi, in today's video, you are going to learn how to open your door with Arduino using AS608 Fingerprint Scanner. Let's get started.
Let me show you how I build this project. Okay, so here we have the Arduino Uno board, and that's the AS608 fingerprint sensor or scanner. Okay, and that's the LED, a blue LED. So when the scanner detects the right finger, okay, the servo motor in the back will turn and the blue LED will turn on. Okay, after a few seconds the LED goes back off. Okay, so let me show you the back. Okay, so here,
If you want to master your electronics project, go to the description of this video. You're gonna see an ebook for you just for $35.
in the back we have the servo motor, the tiny servo motor. Let me zoom in. As you can see here, I've got the SG90 Servo Motor. Here we have a tiny breadboard. Okay, that's the tiny breadboard. On this breadboard I connected a 100 ohm resistor for the blue LED. Okay, so we have the fingerprint Arduino Uno board, the servo, and the LED, and the resistor, and also the jumper wires. So I attached the yellow wire from the servo motor to the Arduino Uno to pin 9, and the VCC wire to the Arduino Uno pin 5V. Of course, the ground, okay, the black ground wire of the servo motor to the ground. I connect the anode of my blue LED to the pin 5. Of course, the cathode of the LED, I attach it through this 1 ohm resistor to the ground. Okay, for the fingerprint, okay, so the yellow wire, which is the RX, I attach it to the pin 2, and the white wire, which is TX, I attach it to the Arduino pin 3, TX. And then the VCC to Arduino Uno pin 3.3V. The ground, okay, the black pin, the black wire to the ground, to the Arduino Uno ground pin. That's the setup. Okay, very simple. So you can reproduce this project at your house. Very simple. You just need to have a knife, and you also need a hot glue. Okay, I'm going to show you.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.
The diagram, okay, of my project. Now I'm going to show you the code, okay, for this project. So for this project, you will need to install Adafruit fingerprint library and the servo library. This is the LED attached to pin 5. We are creating the object to control the servo motor. That's the configuration for our fingerprint scanner. That's the position of the servo motor. Then our LED, of course, is an output. I connected the servo motor to Arduino Uno pin 9. When the fingerprint scanner detects the right fingerprint, we have here, I stored five fingerprints. Okay, so when the fingerprint scanner detects one of those, then the servo motor is going to turn 0 degree, and the LED, the blue LED, will turn on for about 1100 milliseconds. After that, the servo motor will go back to its initial position, 180 degrees. So then we're gonna print this message. So when the fingerprints do not match, okay, these ones, the LED will turn off, and we are going to print out this message, LED off, unauthorized fingerprint. So the fingerprint, the servo motor will remain the same position, okay, 180 degrees. So so it will go back and forth 180 and 179, okay, back and forth when the fingerprints do not match one of these. I wrote like that because if I don't do it, the servo motor is going to behave like like a fool if you want. So yeah, so that's our program. Okay, you just need to choose your board. I'm using Arduino Uno. So now we can fix this. After uploading the code, we can fix, okay, we can test it again. And then let us test. Okay, it's working. As you can see, when the scanner, the fingerprint scanner, detects the right fingerprint, the door will open. If I put a wrong fingerprint, nothing happens. But if I put this, as you can see, it's open. Okay, so the door closes after 2 seconds, okay, and it opens also after 2 seconds after detecting the right fingerprint. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me 1. Oh, what's up here?
Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more videos and shorts.